I am in the car on my way to the airport to head to Chicago with Estee Lauder. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me on my very first vlog. Keep watching. Chicago, here we come. Estee Lauder, I'm excited to be with you this week. Good morning, Chicago. You look so very pretty out there. Good morning, guys. I am in Chicago with Estee Lauder. I can't wait to give you guys a little behind the scenes. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited to be here.
Esteexulta.
Okay guys, we are having so much fun here with Estee, learning all the new things. I'm gonna have so many new tips for my channel, but we've got ice cream, coffee, all the food I could ever want to eat. It's all delicious. So I'm gonna help myself to a little hot and cold moment with my coffee and my ice cream. Thank you, Estee. Hey guys, and welcome to Chicago. I'm gonna give you a little tour of our room here. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Since the bathroom's right here, let's check it out. It is so modern. Hey guys, so beautiful. All the grays and white. My friend Sydney and I have already been staying in here, so you'll be able to tell a little bit. All black everything. Our little closet, big fluffy robes, my things. So fun, but the best part is that they have goodies for us. I'm gonna unbox this with you guys real quick for my Estee fam. How pretty is that silver like velvet? These like black and silver curtains, and then there is Chicago. But let's get unboxing. I wanna show you guys all of the goodies. So they gave us this giant canvas bag, and in it, give me a second to unzip it. And here is what is inside. So pretty. Okay, ready? Dun da da da. Ta-da! So this is their fall It list for 2019, guys. Advanced Night Repair, you know, is one of my absolute faves. I've been using it for probably 2 years in my nighttime skincare routine, and I totally won't do without it. Next, they have their Estee Lauder. This is Advanced Night Repair Reset. Talk more about that in a second. And then Revitalizing Supreme. If you guys haven't used this, the consistency of this night cream is amazing. It's so rich, so creamy. If you haven't tried this guy and you have dry skin, you're gonna be obsessed because it is so hydrating. This guy is new for fall 2019. So like I said, I do love the normal Advanced Night Repair, and I've learned that this does not take the place of your normal Advanced Night Repair. So if you love it like I do, this isn't gonna take the place of that, but add to it. So have you ever had a moment in your life where like your skin was extra stressed? Either you're moving, there's nothing more stressful than moving, and your skin is just stressed and breaking out and you're having issues. Or maybe it's back to school season, like maybe you're a mom, you're juggling like 4 or 5 kids. My moms who have 5 kids, my friends, I don't know how you do it. You're truly a superwoman. But maybe you have 5 kids. I just realized my hair was kind of not froofed. We're froofing. We're froofing, guys. Okay. So mom skin, like you're stressed, you're getting them all back to school, it's just a stressful time. Or what I thought of was fall family photos are coming up and I want flawless skin, or our Christmas card is coming up. It's right around the corner. I can't believe it, but it truly is. So this is like hitting the reset button on your skin. Or if you're like me and you're traveling right now because we're in Chicago and airplanes dehydrate your skin like crazy. So you do 1 pump of this on top of your advanced night repair. And this is gonna give you all your dreams come true. It feels silky smooth, like instantly you love it. It feels so hydrating. I used it last night. I had breakouts. I was not like feeling my skin, and I swear I woke up this morning and I look so much better. So that is this reset. Like I was saying, the Revitalizing Supreme. If you haven't tried this yet and you have dry skin, one of my best friends has dry skin and she even has some cystic acne scarring, and she swears not only is it changing her dry skin for the better, but it is healing her acne scarring. This stuff is just amazing. It is a cell turnover cream, but this new nighttime is gonna be even better. And I'm telling you, like the consistency, the richness, you're gonna be obsessed with. And then last but not least, this guy is the #1 selling serum in the US. So happy to have another one of these in my routine. Go check all of this out. Like they're saying, esteexulta. Ta-da! Come check us out at an Ulta, guys.
The sound.